This is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy recipe for cucumber and onion salad. It's easy to make with fresh cucumbers and onions and a simple salad dressing. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it.
First, we'll slice the cucumbers. Then we'll take a purple onion and dice it. Next, we'll make the salad dressing. We'll start with sugar, then some parsley. We're gonna add some seasonings and water, and finally some apple cider vinegar. Then we're just going to whisk it until the sugar and salt has dissolved. And there, it's all done. So simple, so easy. And now we're going to add it to our cucumbers and onions. It looks so good already. And then we'll give it a little stir to make sure all of the cucumbers and onions are coated well. And next we're just going to dish it up. Make sure to get a few onions and cucumbers in each with a little bit of the dressing too. It makes it so good. And if you want this printable recipe, head on over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com. You'll find the printable recipe and more. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.